Good morning, afternoon, and evening here on Yoga TX, dear yogis. This is Echo, and so grateful to be practicing with you today. I am feeling a bit tired this morning. I'm feeling a bit, my dream space, my dream world has taken me on some rides these last few evenings. My mental loops, I've had some intrusive thoughts that have just taken me on this ride. And so when I get into that place, I like to bring myself into the rule of five, as I call it. And, I do things in fives. And so I do 5 sun salutations, and I might do sun sal A and then 5 sun sal B. And what I invite today is this routine of just picking like the snack pack of postures and movements that can allow us to really drop into presence, drop into breath, and to drop back into being. When we get pulled out, we get pulled into the dream space, we get pulled into the worries or the doubts, and we get pulled into our exhaustion. And we can bring ourselves back into the center by finding those movements and doing them repetitively to get back into the groove. So the rule of 5 is my invitation for you today. And so we'll begin with 5 sun salutations. So that being said, let's start standing. So connecting with the earth beneath you, feet firmly planted on the ground, hands alongside the body. And let's just take some little micro circles. So slight bend in the knees, moving in circles, arriving in the space. Can do 5 to the right, 5 to the left. I'm going to move in the opposite direction now as I've completed my 5. So 5 small rounds. There's something about 5 that just feels so good, this number. Let's come back to center. Let's take an inhale, reach the arms up. And exhale, bow down. So we'll do 5 of these as well. Inhale, come up halfway, engage the core. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise up slowly, slight back bend. Exhale to the heart. Hands alongside the body. 1. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, bow down. Inhale up halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise to standing, reach up. Exhale, hands to heart. Hands alongside the body. 2. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, bow down. Inhale up halfway through the nostrils. Exhale, fold, find that wave with the breath. Inhale, rise up, slight back bend. Exhale to the heart. Alongside the body. 3. Inhale, reach. And exhale, fold. Inhale up halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise to standing. Exhale to the heart. Alongside the body. 4. Inhale, rise. And exhale, bow. Inhale up halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise up, reach up. Exhale to the heart. Alongside the body. 5. Beautiful. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, bow down, and this time take the hands to the lower back. Make a fist, clasp the fingers. Let that fist come up overhead. We stay for 5 rounds of breath in and out of the nostrils. Hands to the earth. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, fold, plant the hands, step back to plank. Lower halfway, chaturanga. Inhale, forward, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. First sun salutation. So inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, step or float forward. Inhale up halfway, hands to shins, engage the core. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise up, reach up, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale to the heart, Samastiti alongside the body. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, bow down. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold, plant the hands, step back to plank, lower halfway, elbows in by the ribs. Inhale, forward to the tops of the feet, Urdhva, I can't even speak right now. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana, there we go. Oh, Sanskrit, tongue tire. Inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, step or float forward. Inhale, halfway, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, rise up, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale to the heart, Samastiti alongside the body. Second sun salutation. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, bow down. Inhale up halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step back to plank, lower halfway, chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana, there we go. Inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, step or float forward. Inhale up halfway. And exhale, fold. Inhale, rise to standing. Exhale to the heart, alongside the body. 3. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, bow down. Inhale up halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step back to plank, lower to chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing dog. Ride the breath. Inhale, bend the knees. Step or float forward. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise up. Exhale to the heart, alongside the body. Samastiti. 4. Inhale, reach. And exhale, bow. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step back to plank, lower to chaturanga. Inhale, upward. And exhale, downward. Every morning, afternoon, or evening, we have time in this rule of 5 to do 5. To ride the waves of our breath in and out of the nostrils, to do 5 sun salutations, to show up and slowly walk the feet forward. Come up onto the tiptoes, bend the knees, sink the hips, and we're not done just yet. Bring the feet off the ground. Knees are bent, arms alongside the body. Open the chest. 5 breaths here. Navasana, boat pose. You can straighten the legs to make this more challenging, or bend. Now we start the 5 breaths. Soften the face. Take an inhale, lengthen to hover. Stay here, 5 breaths. Inhale up. Feet to the earth. Let the head drop in between the knees. Take a hold of the front of the shins. Feel the back of the neck grow long. Slowly bring the head up. Find a cross-legged seat. Rule of 5. 5 minutes of meditation. We move so that we can sit. So let's take the hands to the knees, and let's just take the right ear to the right shoulder first. You can swivel the chin down and up. Get along that axis. Notice if there's any tension. Let's go to the left side. Left ear to left shoulder. Chin swiveling down and up. And notice if there's any tension. Head through center. Big neck circle. A few here. Let's come back to center. Let's take an inhale, stretch the arms out and up. And press the palms down through center as if you're pulling energy into the center. Pressing it down. Let's do that twice more. Inhale, out and up, expand. And gather the energy, and exhale, pull the energy down into the center, grounding. One more, inhale. And slowly exhale, pulling the energy down, 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 down. Hands resting on the knees. We come into stillness. Close the eyes down. Soften the forehead and the jaw. You might need some jaw circles. Spine long. Soft front. Strong back. Relax the belly. Notice if you already want to run from the stillness. Choose, like I choose this too. I'll give light guidance in this time together, but it's more about how you engage with yourself in stillness and silence. So just observe, there's nothing to do. Just let the body soften, receive the inhalation and the exhalation. Let the mind relax and simply sit and be and notice. Maybe even parting the lips, softening even more in each breath cycle, writing the mantra, breathing in, I am aware that I am breathing in. Breathing out, I am aware that I am breathing out. Enjoy the sublime nature of nothingness, of emptiness. Do not fill the space. Empty, empty, empty. And where is your mind? Come back to the present moment. Feel, sense, listen. Ground yourself in the unified field of presence. And slowly bring hands together at heart center. May we each find more space in the chaos and the busyness of life to slow down, to tune in, to soften, to listen, to sense, to feel, to feel, to feel, to empty, 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 to let go. Loosen, baby. You don't have to carry the weight of the world in your muscles and bones. Let go, let go, let go. Loosen, baby. You don't have to carry the weight of the world in your muscles and bones. Let go, let go, let go. Holy breath and holy name. Will you ease this pain? Loosen, baby. You don't have to carry the weight of the world on these muscles and bones. Let go, let go, let go. Namaste.